Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Ford Ranger Crew Cab and Super Cab. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit includes a set of 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and 4 molded rubber base pads, both of which have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to the numbers assigned in the instruction sheet that's included with the fitting kit. Let's go ahead and install a set of these. So the first step is to take off the outer cover. And you'll notice we've already applied a sticker here, which is included with the fit kit to identify this particular foot as the front left position. So you would check the instruction sheet and determine which numbered base pads are for the front left position and just press the base pad on around the perimeter to hold that in place. And then you have the door frame bracket, which just simply slides into the assembly and clicks into place. Okay, next you've got these silver tabs here. You can press one or both to allow the load bar to slide into the top of the foot. Let's do that next. So this is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the construction. It's extruded aluminum in a box beam construction. There's a dedicated track along the top, which is accessed from the end by flipping open the end cap. Then you can slide in the necessary hardware to attach certain carriers and accessories directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. When it's time to install the foot, you can see we have another track here, and within this track we have a measuring device, and it has numbers assigned to that, which is again shown in the instruction sheet. That'll help you to determine exactly where the foot is placed within this track. So let's do that. So we just press in on those silver tabs and then slide the foot into the track. You bring the foot to that predetermined measuring point. Now you'll notice that we've got some open track area here. Thule provides rubber that you just press into that area to fill in that gap and maintain your good aerodynamic performance for the bar. We can return the end cap into position. That just presses on. Now, when it's time to install and tighten this onto the vehicle, Thule has provided a tool. You just insert that tool to reach the fastener and tighten. Once it's fully tightened, it'll click, indicating it's tightened all the way. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. Just insert those tabs and click. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock keyed cylinder, and that is part of Thule's one key system. It allows you to have all 4 of your feet working with the same key. That can be extended to other accessories too that you may purchase for the roof rack, and those too can be key matched by purchasing larger set of matched lock cylinders, a 6-pack or an 8-pack, or even special order additional lock cylinders. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Ford Ranger Super Crew, Super Cab, and Crew Cab. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for all your buying options for this roof rack system. Also, we have a more in-depth video for installation if you need additional support in that area. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.